Windows 10 operating system is officially dead now. But if you are still using Windows 10 operating system on your old laptop or desktop computer, then there is a very easy option, and if you enroll to that option, then you will get the security update for 1 more year of your Windows 10 operating system. That means your Windows 10 operating system life will be extended to 1 year. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can enroll to the latest security update for 1 year of your Windows 10 operating system. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. So guys, right now you can see my computer screen. And now in this laptop, I'm using Windows 10 operating system. Let me show you my Windows 10 operating system version. I'm going to open up Run and type here WinVer. Then press Enter. And here you can see the operating system version of my laptop. Now I want to enroll to the extra 1 year lifespan or security update. Now if I continue using Windows 10 operating system on this laptop, in future I will not get any security update. To get the official security update for 1 year, you have to enroll into their latest security feature update program. If you enroll into that program, you will get 1 year security updates. That means I can get the security update for up to 2026. Now to get that update, click on Start, then go to Settings. Then from here, go to Updates. Now on this screen, you have to check for update. If you get any update, install it on your computer, then restart your computer. And if you had already updated all the latest update of your Windows 10 operating system, here you will get an option called Enroll Now. Click here. Then you have to sign in into your Microsoft account. And guys, like this, you can enroll into their security update feature. And after that, you can use your Windows 10 operating system for 1 more year with the latest security update. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil. You are watching SSTec tutorial and I'm signing out.